in the box, you will find the product, the instructions leaflet, and the spatula. So apparently, this removes hair on the skin in 2.5 minutes. If it has to take longer, it should not exceed 8 minutes. Now, I've already did my skin sensitivity test yesterday, and well, no redness has occurred, so we are good to go. Okay guys, so join me as I shave my winter bush. So I'm going to be applying the cream to the spatula. Applying it to it. And now we wait 2.5 minutes. To remove, have lukewarm water, the spatula, and a cloth ready. Guys, like I can already see hair just like coming out already. Guys, what can I say? Very quick, very easy, didn't even dye my outfit. You can do it quickly before a night out, before work, before you need to quickly dash somewhere. Thank you for watching. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.